yes, this client wants you to get the piece of paper, but how are you going to feel when you got the piece of paper, but you didn't do the security, so now you got hacked? I don't think your vendor is going to be very happy when because of the lack of work that you've done. Now some guy got into their system and they're like spamming everybody, their entire customer list, and it's because of you, right? So yes, well, there's a big topic within the GRC world that compliance is not security. But the whole point of all of this is that you are both compliant and secure, and that you are a trustworthy customer or vendor or partner to this other organization, and not just like, I did everything on the piece of paper and we're just a bunch of paper pushers. The whole idea is, wow, this company is trustworthy.